To make ice cream, we need 7-ounce strawberries. If the strawberries are large like mine, cut them in half. After I learned about this recipe, I no longer buy ice cream. Watch the video to the end. The result will surprise you. Transfer the strawberries to a deep plate. Add 3 large egg yolks here. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 1 cup milk. Blend with an immersion blender until a homogeneous, loose mass is formed. I really love ice cream, so you will find very simple and delicious recipes for ice cream and desserts without baking. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss. Now pour this mass into a saucepan, necessarily passing it through a sieve. This is necessary in order to remove the strawberry seeds. Put the saucepan on medium heat. Cook until thickened. Don't forget to stir constantly so that there are no lumps and the mass does not burn. The mass may boil a little. This is the consistency you should get. Remove from heat and pour into a heat-resistant dish. Cover tightly with cling film on top and set aside for now. In the meantime, prepare a deep plate. Pour in 3 large egg whites, 1 cup granulated sugar. Mix well with a whisk. And now the main thing is, we put our egg whites in a water bath. Now stir for about 3 minutes until a foamy mass forms. When the mass has already foamed a little, check to see if the sugar has melted. If you don't feel any grains with your fingers, it means the mass is ready. And you can remove it from the heat. Now, while our egg whites are hot, beat them with a mixer on high speed. The mass will begin to thicken quickly. Look at what a thick and smooth mass we have. Set aside and cut another 3.5-ounce strawberries. We will add these strawberries to our ice cream in pieces. Therefore, cut them into small pieces. Write in the comments what kind of ice cream you would like us to make next time. Now take the strawberry custard. Knead well with a silicone spatula to remove all lumps. Now transfer it to the egg whites. Beat with a mixer on medium speed. Add the chopped strawberries. And mix gently. The best ice cream is almost ready. Pour into a mold. Put in the freezer until solid. Pour strawberry jam over the finished ice cream. Serve in beautiful plates. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Enjoy! See you in the next video.